Hello, here's a new trading bot for the banana exchange. I'm sure no one has ever seen such a bot. The bot is installed on the computer, after which it will be launched to log into the program. Like all representatives of trading bots, it practically does not differ from the functions. This model boasts simplicity and everything you need on one panel. Namely, to do this, you need to launch a bot, select a coin, select the percentage at which the transaction will be closed, stop loss and chart. The task of the bot is simply to buy, hold and sell. In 3 hours of trading, the bot made successful trades and increased profits by 5%. Considering that my balance is small, I want to say that the bot can be downloaded from the link in the description. That it's free, and my channel also has a lot of videos about trading bots. Subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments which trading bot, in your opinion, is the best.